What's up, BUHS? Today we have a little pie eating contest going on. Today we got 5 pies in 5 minutes. So the rules are hands have to be off the table and you have to finish the pie before the 5 minutes. But if no one finishes, whoever has the most pie down is going to get first. Whoever's the second most will get second. So in first place gets these wonderful hallway lacrosse sticks to play with. And then second place gets these little frozen popsicles for second place. Now we want to go around and introduce your contestants today. So first off, I'm here with...
My name's Hunter. I've been training for this day my entire life. I've been eating food since day one, and I haven't stopped since day one. I'm ready to go.
What do you think your odds of winning are today?
100%.
That's confidence. Now I'm here with...
Jason with safety. If anybody's seen the movie Stand By Me, there may be a recreation of a certain pie eating contest in that movie.
What do you think your odds of winning are today?
0.
And now I'm here with...
JMO. I had a pre-game Pop-Tart. I got that lineman stomach, so I'm pretty confident I'm going to win this.
What do you think your odds are?
100%.
200% and a 0. Now I'm here with...
Brayden, I like pie, so I think I'm gonna win.
What do you think your odds are?
Probably like 85%.
This is pretty good. And now I'm here with...
I'm Parsons, and doing this for my cat pie. My odds are pretty low, I gotta admit.
What do you think they are exactly?
20%.
20%. So today we have 2 apple pies on the outside and we have a cherry pie on the inside. Are we ready, contestants?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna give a countdown when you're ready with the time.
Ready?
Who's ready?
2, 1, each.
They're all digging in there. Look, Jason's doing pretty good here. Hunter. Mr. Parsons doesn't have much down.
We need water.
You might want to eat a little faster. You guys got 5 minutes to finish these. Got quite a bit down over here. These 2 are quite a bit. Looking good in the middle and on this other side is just a bit. Hunter's face is a bit covered. Very sticky there. We're down to 4 minutes. How are we doing over here? That's what we're doing right. Quite a bit of pie. These guys have a few minutes. Let's go. You guys got this. Don't think about throwing up. Singing like a singer. Gotta keep your hands off the table.
I was getting stuff out of my nose.
What do you got? 3 minutes left. You down for the... You want those hallway lacrosse sticks, don't you? Those hallway lacrosse sticks are what we're playing for. Oh, looks like James got quite a bit down. These 3 are quite a bit. How we feeling? We throwing up? No. You better keep going then. Well, keep eating, guys. What do we have for time?
We got 2 minutes and 14 seconds.
Almost out of 2 minutes, guys. Keep going. Get your hand off the table, Hunter. You got a little bit left. Come on, you're good. Keep going. Don't think about throwing up.
Shake your body.
Guys, throwing up is the last thing you want to do. We don't want to do that. It's almost gone. You just have to use the crust there, Jason. You too, J-Mo. Hunter, they're beating you.
Shake your body.
Can't do it.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Almost down to a minute and almost everybody's gone. This is where you lock in. This is where it matters the most, the last minute.
Shake your body. Shake your body.
Don't think about throwing up.
Shake your body.
Come on, Brayden. You still got a lot of time left.
Can't do it.
Look at these guys. They got more than you. Do you want the hallway lacrosse sticks?
To be honest, not really.
Do you want the popsicles?
A little bit.
You might want to keep eating. My advice for everyone is to not throw up.
We got 40 seconds.
40 seconds each. You can eat for the last 40 seconds. Oh, it's close here. Mr. Parsons coming back from behind.
Oh my god.
Hunter, you might want a napkin. Put your pies on the table and not in your mouth. Yeah, man.
We got 15 seconds. 10,
Come on, last 10 seconds, Hunter.
8, 7,
Come on, Jason. Come on, Jimbo. Go, Mr. Parsons.
3, 2, 1.
That's it. Hands off. Hands off. All right, come on.
Working the ref. Here are paper towels for cleaning. There's a trash can there for 100.
That looks like a solid
So,
day.
Mr. Parsons, how are we feeling after that?
That was beautifully delicious.
You think you're gonna throw up?
No, that was a great breakfast. That was a good start.
That's good.
Let Cooper interview you.
Brayden, how are we feeling after this?
A little sick, but I still like pie.
I think you're gonna eat a little more. It's a little disappointing. How are we feeling, J-Mo? That's good. How are we feeling, Jason?
Good. Great.
Hunter?
Not as bad as I thought I was gonna feel.
We had high hopes for you, son. Let's hope he plays first or second.
You're the one locked
All right, we're gonna come. Silas to come out and have the custodies. All right. Go to the end of the table. We want to go on the other side. No. We can't. All right, stay over here. I think first place is over here.
Look at the grill summit.
Get a shot.
If we move the crust, I think it's pretty even.
We put there's a lot of crust going on right here on the table. I think this one is the winner and this one's second place.
Oh, the two teachers take the prizes. Look at that. So now we're gonna ask them to come up here. Like Mr. Parsons and Jason to come up here for your prizes. What? You guys are first and second. What is that? Alright, so we decided you got first place.
I got this guy with zero confidence.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Underdog story. And Mr. Parsons gets the popsicle. The guys with the lowest confidence take it home.
Teachers rule!
You could say that, possibly.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on next week. See you later.